Okay, friends, I hope you must have copied the table of Vibhakti of noun Bala, a child. Now let us have another table, another masculine table of Vibhakti. So now we are going to take the noun Hari means Vishnu, and it is Ikarant Pulling. Okay, fine. So once again draw a very nice table so that it will be very useful for you. So Prathama Ekvachan is Harihi, means a Vishnu. Now generally as we are observing or writing the noun forms according to Vibhakti, we are going to take as it goes the translation. A Vishnu, then we'll have Hari. Now see, here I have in Dvivachan use Dirgha E. That means long E. Here it is Rasva E and here it is Dirgha E. When you are going to use Dirgha E, it is going to become Dvivachan and that means to Vishnu. And Harayaha. Generally, this Visarg is pronounced as Ha. Harayaha means many Vishnus. Fine. Dvitiya Vibhakti Harim. Note this that where I use Rasvai and where I use Dirghai. Hari means to Vishnu. Dvivachan will be same. Hari means two Vishnus. And Dvitiya Bahuvachan is Harin. Means to many Vishnus. Tritiya Vibhakti Harina. Means I think you must have remember with a Vishnu. Now Dvivachan is almost very easy to remember because Tritiya, Chaturthi and Panchami Vibhakti always carries Bhyam. So हरिभ्याम means with to Vishnu. It also means by a Vishnu, by two Vishnus, and Haribhihi means with many Vishnus. For Chaturthi Vibhakti will have Haraye in Ekvachan means for a Vishnu. Haribhyam for two Vishnus and Haribhyah means for many Vishnus. If you need to draw the table, then you can also use your margin for making this table. If you will use the margin, then you will not have the problems like me, because I am getting little problem while writing the last plural translation. Okay, let's continue. Panchami Ekvachan is Hare. Means from a Vishnu. Haribhyam dual, Panchami dual is Haribhyam, and that means from to Vishnu. Okay, I am going to use digit here. And Haribhyah means from many Vishnus. Sashti Vibhakti will be the same one for Ikarant Pulling like Panchami Hare of a Vishnu. Then Harayoho means of two Vishnus. And Harinam, now see here I am using Dirgha E, long E, because Sashti Bahuvachan, in that Ikarant Pulling will be Harinam with long E or Dirgha E means of many Vishnus. Saptami haro, means in a Vishnu, harayoho, in two Vishnus, and Harishu means in many Vishnus. Sambodhana, it is little different. In Ekvachan Sambodhana we are going to take He Hare. That is O Vishnu. He Hari means O two Vishnus. And He Harayah. O many Vishnus. Okay, so this is how we are going to deal with Ikarant Pulling. Now there are the kind of other noun forms or Nam Dhatu which have similar meaning. For example, Nidhi means treasure. Then Nrupati, that means king. Then we have Rushi, a sage. Then we have Ratpati, means Lord of Woes. Then we'll have Bhupati, also means king. So this is the Vibhakti or cases of Ikarant Pulling Hari.